Alright, in this video I'm going to answer which is the better Cathie Wood stock to buy, Roku or Roblox. Of course, as is common with Cathie Wood stocks, they're in innovative industries. Roku is enabling this transition to streaming content. Roblox is the metaverse pioneer. Let's look at which stock is the better buy right now, and I'm going to look at four different metrics to determine which one is the better buy. And the first one I have pulled up here is annual revenue and the annual revenue trend going back several years. And we see Roku overall has more revenue at 2.76 billion compared to Roblox at 1.919 billion. But I would say that Roblox is growing its revenue faster than Roku is. I'm sorry, I think I said Roblox is growing its revenue faster than Roku is. And I expect that trend to continue here as Roblox is about to launch advertising on its platform where it previously did not have ad revenue as a source of revenue. It has over 50 million daily active users, but it was only monetizing a small portion of those users that were actually depositing money on the platform. Now that it's going to have advertising on the platform, it can get revenue from all 50 more million users on the platform. So going forward, I like Roblox's revenue prospects better than Roku's prospects, at least in the near term. So I would give the edge of revenue growth, I would give it to Roblox. The next metric I'm going to look at here to compare Roblox stock to Roku stock is the operating profit margin in the trailing 12 months. And in this regard, both companies are at a negative operating profit margin. Roblox is at negative 34%. Roku is at negative 8%. Roku's negative operating profit margin partly stems from the fact that management has chosen not to increase prices on its products and absorb inflationary pressures. Roblox's negative operating profit margin is somewhat to do with the high stock-based compensation that it's paying, and that's bringing down operating profit margins, even though cash flow looks better, and the main difference being stock-based compensation. But in overall, comparing these two on operating profit margin, I would give Roku the edge in this regard. The next metric I'm going to look at is cash flow from operations for the trailing 12 months. And in this regard, Roblox is in the lead here with 372 million cash flow from operations in the recent 12 months, even though this is trending downward. As you might expect, the company sales and cash flows boomed during the pandemic when kids were home from school and extracurricular activities were canceled. That trend is reversing and cash flows are coming down. However, it's still well above Roku's negative cash flow from operations of 21 million in the most recent quarter, and Roku's cash flows from operations have been muted for the most part. It too experienced a boom during the pandemic when people were at home spending more time streaming content, and now it is also experiencing a reversal. But the edge in terms of cash flow from operations goes to Roblox. And the final metric I will look at is comparing the two based on price. Roblox is trading at a price to sales ratio of 8.2, whereas Roku is trading at a price to sales ratio of 2.27. Roblox is, I would say, 3.5 times more expensive than Roku stock here. So to answer the question, which one of these two is a better buy looking at the whole picture, I would say Roblox stock is the better buy here. The company's cash flow from operations looks stellar, and in fact the business model is conducive to bringing in healthy cash flow from operations because players deposit money first on the platform before Roblox has to pay any of its developers. Roblox outsources its developers content on the platform, and it only spends money on that content that its users find useful that their users spend money on. And the fact that Roblox is launching advertising on the platform is another good sign for Roblox stock. So overall, I would say Roblox stock is the better Cathie Wood stock to buy right now. All right, that's all I've got for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.
I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill set and risk levels. So I'm proud to partner with the Motley Fool to bring you 10 stock picks from their popular product, Stock Advisor. Stock Advisor has beaten the market by more than 3 times. Go to fool.com/Parkev to get your 10 stock picks now.